Assalamualaikum viewers, myself Dr. Imran Shakur working at Baby Park subsection of Densu in Bahia Town, Karachi. Today I will tell you how to make proper feed for baby parrots. We have 3 baby parrots of blue and golden Mackaw. Let's start. We are feeding the feed of KT, exact with high fat content, high fat formula. It is very essential for the growth of and the early development of the baby parrots. मैं आपको ये बताऊंगा कि हम सबसे पहले इसको बनाने का तरीकाकार क्या है। आपने सबसे पहले बिल्कुल हॉट वाटर, बॉइल्ड हॉट वाटर ले लेना है और आपने इसको जो फीड को प्रॉपर मिक्स करना है. The more time you will take in mixing, the more better the feed will be. Now I have added a few amount, only 2 teaspoons of feed in boiled water. Now I am going to stir it. Almost I will stir it for 3 to 4 minutes so that I can get a smooth consistency. We have boiled water beneath and now I am stirring the food consistency constantly. You can see that I will continue to stir the feed mixture until I will get a smooth mixture. We have these 3 baby Mackaw parrots. You can see, mashallah, they are growing well and they are enjoying. Now this is the time for their feed. You can see that how they intermingle. Dear viewers, he is krwane, my veterinary assistant and working with my supervision. He is doing all the management, feeding activities, and he has a complete set of labor, having proper people that will look after these babies. Now feed has been finally prepared. You can see the proper consistency of the feed that is ready for the baby parrots. You can see that how actively they are feeding. They think that mother is going to be fed like that. माशाल्लाह ऐसा महसूस कर रहे हैं जैसे इनकी मम्मा इनको जो है ना फीड करवा रही है. We feed them very slowly. Mashallah. You can see. Now you can see the throat is completely filled. Mashallah. ये देखिए माशाल्लाह, ये हमारे सुपरवाइजर है. ये हमारे जो है कैसे बेबी पैरट कितने खुशी से इनकी जो है ये जो फीड करवाने हैं.